How's it going? It's Jesse with Gold Beach Automotive, and this is my Yamaha Rmax 4. I just want to show you guys a little bit more about the sway bars, or the quick disconnect links. So there they are right there. Driver's side. Pretty simple to take off. Pop it off there, pop it off from the bottom, and it's in your hand, just that easy. There is a right and a left, so they won't really click onto each other unless you have the right one to the right side, so it's kind of foolproof. But again, if you have any questions, definitely shoot me a message or whatnot, or call the shop. Oh boy, he wants to go play. That's Big Papa the shop dog, and on the shop dog. Anyways, I just want to show you guys here. Click and click.